how to log in to the admin dashboard of your WordPress website for beginners. Now choose any browser you like. For me, I'll go with Firefox browser. Now from the home page, type in the website that is already built for you. I'm gonna use this recruitmentportal.com.ng. That is a newly built website. So I'm gonna use it to log into the admin dashboard where you can access your website as an admin. Now recruitment.com.ng slash WP dash admin. Now WP stand for WordPress, and dash ADMIN admin, then slash. That's all. Just click enter to log in. All right, allow you to load. Now from here you can input your login details. Now username, admin, username, then input your password that was provided to you when your site was built for you. Input the password and then click on login to log in. Then you can tick on remember me so that you wouldn't have to log in again. So click login. All right, we are here. Look at it. This is the admin dashboard. Okay, right here at the left top corner, the three line, if you click, you can see other options like post, media, and the rest, where you can do a lot of things: appearance, plugin, settings. So please like and share.